Hello everyone, my name is Tamara. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a shredded beef burrito. If you want to learn how to make this delicious recipe, stick around and I'll show you how. First I'm slicing one large yellow onion. One red bell pepper and one green bell pepper. I'm using a 2-pound chuck roast. I'm going to cut it into 3 big pieces and oil it up with some regular cooking oil, any oil. Okay, so I'm putting this in my pressure cooker and I'm going to sear it on both sides to get some color to it. You can skip this step. Also, you don't have to use a pressure cooker. I just love using my pressure cooker because it's faster. And it says that it's searing for 30 minutes. That just automatically, it times it to that. I'm not gonna sear it for a whole 30 minutes. I'm just gonna do it for like 5 minutes and then I'll stop it. You do not need a pressure cooker. If you use it in a regular pot, make sure you cook it on a low temperature for a long period of time. For a 3-pound, you would cook it for 3 to 3.5 hours. 4-pound roast is 3.5 to 4 hours, and a 5-pound roast is 4.5 to 5 hours. I'm using a 2-pound roast, so I'll cook it for like 2.5 hours. After I've seared it on both sides, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of chipotle chili, or you can use regular chili powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt. You don't have to use the same seasonings I did. If you prefer other seasonings, you can do that. Or you can even just use salt, pepper, and garlic powder, whatever you like. Now I add on my vegetables. And if you want to add hot peppers to it, you can do that too. And 1 cup of beef broth. Make sure if you're using a pressure cooker to seal it. This is seal, the other way is unseal. And lock first, seal, and then I'm gonna cook it for 60 minutes. Now I'm making my guacamole dip while my meat's cooking. Make sure to add the tomatoes in last. I didn't think about that till after. I'm gonna cut up the 2 avocados, add them in a bowl, smash them up, then we'll add the tomatoes to it. I'm using 1 small tomato. I have some on my cutting board because I wasn't sure how much I needed, but I ended up using the whole thing. I'm using a Roma tomato, but you can use any tomato you'd like. here, don't do like I did. I ended up having to take the avocados back out of the bowl because I shouldn't have added the tomatoes first. So skip that tomato first step, add it in last. I added in the salt and pepper in before I finished smashing it because I felt like it would help the avocados from sliding all over the place. Now it's ready for the tomatoes. Add some lime juice and it's perfect. If I wanted to make this for a dip for chips, I like to add in cream cheese or sour cream, or even without it, it tastes delicious. I was gonna put Tabasco in it and then remembered my baby's gonna eat this. Now the meat's ready, let's check this out. I'm releasing the pressure. Now on the side, I'm heating up some green enchilada sauce. You can use red, green, or you don't have to use any at all. I just felt like trying it today. I'm heating up some tortillas. I don't want to heat them up too much, just want to make it pliable. Now I'm taking the meat out so I can pull it apart. I'm just gonna get 2 forks to grab the piece of meat with it and pull the forks apart. And there you have it, shredded beef. Add the cheese. You can use any cheese you prefer. Taking it back to the pan, and I'm going to toast it a little. I'm gonna brush some oil on there and then toast it on both sides. I'm gonna put the seam down first. I'm putting the green enchilada sauce around the burrito. You could put it on top too. I just put it around it. And then we're gonna add on some sour cream, some guacamole, some cheese, and then garnish with cilantro. I'd like to make a special shout out for my husband Charlie for helping me and my daughter Madeline for being patient, and all my fans out there, thank you. If you like my videos, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, comment below, and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.